good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's Flyer Kicks coming back at y'all with another video. And I got some heat on this unboxing. But before we get into the shoes, man, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with me and you can know when I post some new heat. Getting straight to it, man. Travis Scott, green box. You know, Travis Scott Jordan 6s, man. I'm late on these. I'm late to the party. Nike receipt. Yeah, I know. I'm late to the party. Everybody already got them. But you know, better late than never, man. Finally got them. Yellow laces. Man, did some work for these, man. Been looking for these for a while. Finally managed to find somebody with the 11.5. Oh, I didn't want to get any other size, especially in 6s. Just the 11.5 fits me perfectly. Had a couple of deals for 11s and 12s, but I just stayed patient. And I went ahead and grabbed these for a pretty decent trade, man. Traded a pair of Jordan ones, a pair of Bred ones for these. So, you know, I feel like I won that trade. Pretty cool. I've been looking for these for a minute, like I said. Missed out on the release. I really wanted these because like green is like my favorite color. Like these really pop to me, like other than the blue Travis Scott 4s. Maybe it's like the second best one. The ones are cool. Everybody loves the ones, but the brown just doesn't really do it for me. They clean, don't get me wrong, but the brown just doesn't do it for me like the green suede or the baby blue suede on the 4s. But yeah, I had to get these, man. Got the little pocket and stuff on here. People been talking about them for a long time, man. I seen them in hand a couple of times, but I just had to be patient with on my 11.5. And I finally got it, man. I'm definitely gonna throw the yellow laces in there. Definitely gonna throw the yellow laces in there. I'm not even sure who decided to put yellow in, but yellow is definitely gonna work on these. I've been seeing a lot of on foots with the yellow, so I'm definitely gonna rock with those, man. It's been real crazy out here, Travis Scott, with the Space Village. He opened up his store, man, and it seems like everybody in the city is just moving their pairs now. So it was cool to go ahead and grab these. People getting them for retail, let them go for low prices, or just trading them for another shoe that they really wanted. So I mean, that's how I came up on mine, man. It really worked out for me, just being in the city, because it was crazy getting those lines, man. I was trying to go down there and like try to grab maybe another pair of 1s or something for retail, or even some 4s or 6s, but the lines were just so crazy, man. You know, and like when you work and you got other things to do, you can't be out there all night. So salute to the guys that's out there, man, and that's out there making it happen, get your money, all that good stuff. But I got mine, so I ain't tripping. But as you already know, man, without further ado, let's get up close and personal with these 6s, man. I'm happy to have these. Hope y'all happy to see them. I'm definitely gonna get these somewhere in the next couple of weeks, man. Maybe even for the holidays, get a nice little Christmas fit off with them or something. But let's get up close and personal, man. Travis Scott 6s. Now, getting up close and personal with these Travises, you can see they got the olive green box, got the receipt from Nike, Air Jordan 6 Retro SP, 11.5. Got the black wax paper, got the white paper. Boom, Travis Scott 6s. Got the infrared Nike Air on the back. All olive green, nice suede. No real flaws on this pair, like I said. I've been seeing people complain about some pairs, but I think I got a pretty good pair out of the batch. Olive green laces already in there. It comes with black and yellow laces, but they're on the other shoe. I'll grab those in a minute. And see, it has the emoji inside the pocket, the little stash pocket. And he even had the stash pocket on the ones, if you guys remember. The inside just had a Velcro attachment. So he put an actual pocket on the 6s, which is pretty cool. He's sticking with his swagger, you know, like that. Got the green laces. These are definitely what's going in here for me. I'm gonna rock the green without a doubt. Cactus Jack on the back of this one. Embroideries are pretty clean. Stitching is pretty cool on these, you know. No real flaws, like I said, man. No glue stains or nothing. I thought this was gonna be a black pair of laces, but that's actually gray. Got the emoji on this side, pocket on the other shoe. The whole bottom actually glows in the dark, like a green glow. I should have charged them up and really got a good view of that. But they do glow in the dark. Got some nice suede on there. But yeah, man, so overall, that's the shoe, man. Let me know how y'all feel, man. Is it worth the hype? Are you paying the $500, $600, $700, $800 for these, man? Or if you missed them, you missed them, man. Let me know how y'all feel. Now that just about wraps it up for this video, man. As always, got the Travis Scott 6s with the yellow laces that are going in there, man, for a fact. Let me know how y'all feel about them. Let me know if I'm tripping for putting the yellow in there, even though it's no yellow on the shoe. Been getting a lot of complaints about that from my partners when I tell them I'm rocking the yellow. Like, man, there's no yellow on the shoe, but I'm gonna make it work. Let me know how y'all feel about it, man. Is it worth the hype, man? It's the boy Travis Scott. Till next time on the next video, I guess, man. I'll see y'all. Peace.